ATCH stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Atlasclear Holdings, I see a 14% decrease in price, which is kind of crazy. But generally speaking, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all this is documented on my YouTube channel. The thing about ATCH stock is that I called it out. You might not believe me, but I'm here to kind of break your belief. Here's the proof. At the time, we were sitting at 374.
You're willing to short sell this? We'll see. Let me know what you.
Right, this was made 6 days ago. Only got 31 views, which is crazy. But 26th of February when this video was made, 26th, this is 27th. And then the day after, you know, like the few days, the upcoming days, it just melted, you know. So one thing that I want to say is that it's a yet to deliver, to actually collect my W here. But yeah, that's how ATCH looks like for me. Just want to see the lows get cleared out. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks blueprint, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.